As you can see, we already resynced the remote. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2004 Mercedes-Benz Ml350, and today I'm going to show you how you can resync the remote control from your car once you change the batteries. So I recently restored the remote control on this car. We bought a new shell and we switched the electronics, but every time you remove the batteries, the remote control loses the programming. So as you can see, I'm pressing the button and nothing's happening. So what you're gonna do to resync the remote to the car to be able to use the function, you're gonna do this first. You're gonna insert the key and you're gonna open it to this ignition, and you're not gonna start the car. You're gonna remove it, and then you're gonna hold the lock button and press. While holding the lock, you're gonna press 5 times the unlock, and that should resync the remote control in your car. So let me do this really quick and you'll see that it works. Okay, so we're gonna do this really quick. Open, close, hold it 5 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, we already resynced the remote to the car. So it's really simple. You gotta hold this while holding the lock, you're gonna press the unlock 5 times. So after you do that, then you can test the remote, and as you can see, it started working again. So that's pretty much it, how to resync it. This is not a procedure to program it. You need a special tool to program it, because it needs to learn the code into the body control module. So this is only to resync the control after you replace the batteries on this car. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the information. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, comment down below, like the video, and turn notifications on so you can be updated with every video I upload every week. Alright guys, thank you again and see you next time. Bye.